Hi, this is Zach Schlichting from the Trust and Estate section of the Colorado Bar Association. This is a video tutorial on how to use keyboard shortcuts to align text within a Microsoft Word document. I'm going to show you in this video how to align text to the right, how to center it, how to align it to the left, and how to justify it. Before I do that, these keyboard shortcuts apply to paragraph level formatting. So if you have the cursor anywhere within a paragraph and you tell the paragraph to align in a certain direction, it's going to align the whole entire paragraph. That's just something to keep in mind. The first alignment style I'm going to show you is alignment to the right. The keyboard shortcut for this is Control-R. The second alignment style I'm going to show you is centering. The keyboard shortcut to center text within a paragraph is Control-E. The keyboard shortcut to align text to the left is Control-L. And the keyboard shortcut to justify text, in other words, to make sure that text will not have a ragged edge on the right, but will always align perfectly along the right-hand edge of the right-hand margin, is Control-J. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on keyboard shortcuts within Word.